AI is probably one of the most consequential pieces of technology in our lifetimes. I feel like if I just don't tune into AI news for a month, I'm already outdated with what's going on. So there's a lot to discuss. There's a lot to talk about. I'm really glad to be joined by a panel of experts today to help me to answer some of these very, very pressing questions.
I think this usage of AI from a customer standpoint can be much sooner than we think.
Is essentially table stakes at this point, right? It's also about helping internal productivity, staff upskill themselves as well.
I think it's becoming all pervasive from predictive AI to now generative AI, where you can indeed start querying things you have in your mind without waiting for the bank to reach out as well.
It allows us to reach out to and service customers that were previously ignored. I guess it democratizes the number of people that we can now provide banking services to.
Our belief in terms of what's the real unlock is using transaction intelligence to understand customer behavior and what their implicit needs may be based on their activity, and then delivering guidance in a more targeted fashion, and really bringing together this concept of, let's say, financial wellness with needs-based sales, bringing that together to be able to deliver insights, guidance to customers when they need it at the appropriate time, and also over time as they're trying to accomplish journeys such as trying to buy a house. It's kind of moving away from campaigns and directing it more around, this is the situation that we see with the customer. What's the right, action, advice, opportunity to put in front of them?
When we talk about cognitive banking, personalization, it's so broad, it's so high level, but it's even down to the how we serve the messages. At what point do we serve those messages? What is the tone of voice? So we even think about the tone of voice, the images that we serve to them on various channels.
I think a couple of things we will see in banking. One is banking will no longer be restricted. I mean, it's always been from 10 to 5 when you talk to a human being. When you don't want to talk to a human being, it can be 24/7. But I think many things that you today do with people will become 24/7.
There will be segment of people that are more open to trying out such technologies. I think it comes back to the point of the level of trust that an organization is building with their customers before they roll out such cognitive banking. To be honest, as a customer, if the level of trust within the organization with the bank is there, then I'm pretty sure that they are going to be more open and be receptive to such services as well.
As information gets democratized, as the access becomes that much easier, you're going to find much more intelligence in a two-way fashion, where customers will also be getting more out of their bank, and banks will be sending much more out to clients as well to make the interaction much more intelligent and interactive. So I think you will see a dramatic change in what we today see banking as.
What I think is probably an exciting frontier is one where the organization, the bank, is able to combine the intelligence from the digital channel with the empathy of the human channel, and we'll see a confluence of that. It's already happening, and I think we will stepwise into a new frontier, which will have an even greater customer franchise value for banks.